Hello guys, this is CP-REHAAB Poultry Farm, the best organic poultry initiative. Presently we are in the rainy season and one of the major diseases farmers face in their poultry farm is coccidiosis. If care is not taken, coccidiosis can kill all the birds within 72 hours. So farmers should take a major precaution on how to treat and prevent coccidiosis in their poultry farm. Thank you. This is CP-REHAAB Poultry Farm, the best organic poultry initiative. If you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so that anytime I upload videos on this channel, you will be notified. What is coccidiosis? A parasite called coccidia causes coccidiosis in birds like turkey, chicken, duck, and many animals. There are 9 types or species of coccidiosis, but I'm going to mention 4 that are common in our environment, most especially in Nigeria here. The first type of coccidiosis I will mention in this video is Emera telena. Emera telena attacks sick birds or any birds with low immunity. The second one I want to talk about is Emera maxima. Emera maxima attack any bird with small intestine, and then Emera bruneti also attack the small intestine, and the last one is Emera necastrix. This also attack the bird with small intestines. Note this: anytime you are treating coccidiosis, don't give them multivite because it will affect the effectiveness of the drugs. What are those causes of coccidiosis? The first one is that practice biosecurity in your poultry farm. When you discover that their litter is wet, always clean it, pack it, and make their home comfortable for them to live. Overcrowding also causes coccidiosis. When you have to put 500 birds, don't put 700 or 1000 there. Stress also causes coccidiosis. Please don't overstress your birds whenever you want to move them or whatever you want to do with them. These are all causes of coccidiosis in poultry farm. What are the symptoms of coccidiosis? 1. Ruffled feathers, loss of appetite, droppiness, that is that they will lose energy not to play, not to be active. Another major symptom of coccidiosis is that you will discover blood in the excreta. So all these things are the symptoms of coccidiosis. Please, I want you to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. If you have not done so, please subscribe to this channel, subscribe, and leave your comment in the comment section. If you have any question, leave it in the comment box. I'm ready to answer you. Now, I want to give all this organic solution for coccidiosis. The organic solution for coccidiosis: get as many as you can of bitter leaf and scent leaf. Add the two together. Give it a try and share your experience in the comment box. If you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. Till the next time we meet, thank you and God bless you. Bye.